Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I've been working a lot and it's been hot, so hadn't had really a lot of time to make videos. But today we have to fix the buggy again. The starter did go out on it again, but also so did the fuel pump relay. And I don't have one. So what I have done, I'm fixing to jerry rig this thing so that we can use it to finish up working on our fence while I ordered a new relay for it. Probably gonna order several relays just to fix some stuff, because these things are not serviceable really. So there's the fuel panel, and as you can see, you can't replace these little relays. So this whole thing right here is like $100 probably. So what I'm thinking about doing is ordering some relays just to have on hand when stuff like this happens, so I can just wire them up however I need to. But today we're just going to wire it in with a little on-off switch just to finish up some fencing we got to do till the new relays come in. So that's what we're doing this afternoon, and it is super hot, and this is not going to be fun because I got to crawl up under here and see if I can get a wire somewhere that has 12 volts to it. So right here, guys, is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna clip this red and white wire right here off this plug, and I'm gonna tie my new hot wire into it. Those green and black wires are for the fuel level, and then that red and blue wire right there is the ground. So I'm gonna clip the ground and the hot wire, clip me some ends on it, run me a ground here somewhere, and then run me a hot wire up to in front of the dash, and wire me in a little on-off switch for the time being. So that's the plan anyway. Now whether I actually get this done or not, I have no idea, but we're fixing to find out. Maybe I can just run it right down that chassis right there. I may wind up having to take the floor out. Now let's go up here and see if we can see them. Oh, there they are, way over there. Don't want to get them in that drive shaft. Here we go. All right, got my wires out. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna cut those two. We're gonna cut those two wires off. Put these in there, and we should be good to go. I may just have to do the hot wire. I don't know. I'm fixing to test it. So let's do this. We'll get that one right there. Let's give it a whirl. All right, we got our fuel level back. Now I'm gonna take and just clamp on a hot wire. I don't have a good ground either, so I got to do the ground and the hot wire, and that'll work. So you can see right there how I've got them done. I'll have to wrap those in electrical tape, which I'm fixing to do right now. And I got a knife here somewhere. And this is a ground. I ain't got to tape it, but we will. If I don't, somebody will say something. They probably gonna say something anyway, but it's my channel. And I just tore the plug off because I didn't crimp it good. So let me get another one. There, that ought not to come off. Those on there. I reckon I should have put those under that, but it'd be okay. All right, I got my wires pulled through up here, and I have a fuse holder somewhere. So let me go look for it. All right, guys, I got my fuse wired in. I got my switch wired in right here. Fuel pump comes on. This is the ultimate test. All right. That is music to my ears. It's gonna save me a lot of steps. So let me button this back up, and I'll get back to you guys in just a second. Guys, let's take her on a little test run. The only thing with it set up this way is I have to remember to cut the fuel pump off when I get done with it, or it'll just sit there all night and run the battery down. Man, it is hot and dry here. I've been home about 2 weeks, and I don't think it rained since I left. And I was gone for 2 weeks. As you can see, the millet, boy, it's working on it. They can eat what they want of it. We'll bush hog it down and plant something else if it ever goes back to raining. I think that's going to be all right. Put it in high. Oh yeah. So if you guys, if you're Hisun 500 will turn over, but she ain't cranking, odds are the relay is going out. So you can just run your hot wire from your plug and a ground wire back to your battery. Put a switch and a fuse in between. You just have to manually cut it on and off. It'll get you by till you can order the part to fix your fuel pump relay, which is built into that fuse box. So you can't just change them out. You have to order the whole thing. Or you can just order you a relay and just bypass it, which is basically what I've done. I just didn't have the relay to hook it up. So it's just hooked direct, but I did put a fuse in between them. So I hope that helps you. We appreciate you guys watching, and sorry for the delay in the videos, but it's just the way it is when you work a full-time job and you do YouTube on the side. So you guys have a great night, and we'll see you next time.